The washability for this is good.
Okay. Why you keep boring?
Hensem, yeah?
Hello and welcome back to another episode of RABAK Reviews. My name is Ming and today we are going to review an item from the past, and that is your good look hair gel. Now, if you are a true Singaporean, you confirm use this product before, but they even seen it before. So today, let's put this to the test. Is good look hair gel RABAK or not? The Grooming brand belongs to Waco, London, which originates from London, UK. Now the thing about this brand, it has a range of different products, ranging from your hair dyes, your hair sprays, and all your other hairstyle products you can find there. The good thing about this good look hair gel is that it can be found anywhere in Singapore. And when I say anywhere in Singapore, I mean everywhere in Singapore. You can find this gel in your supermarkets, you can find it in your Watson store, your Guardian store, and even when you go cut hair at the old school Malay barber shop, you will find it there as well. The barber come ask you, "Naja tak?" And then what you say? You say, like Amani cik, or better yet, like Beckham cik. Right, your Malay barber, confirm plus chop, will use the good look hair gel. It's as old school as it gets, at least in Singapore. Now this thing here costs less than $5 for 330 ml, right? And it provides a firm hold, making your hair super hard and dry very quickly, and also provides a very high count shine in your hair. Right, the thing about this is high water content, making this easily washable, right? And it also contains whey protein, your provitamin B5, and also UV protection. This gives off a very manly yet refreshing kind of smell that you can find in your local neighborhood barber shop. Yeah, you know those kind of smell, that kind of smell? Yeah. So with all the things said about good look hair gel, is it true or not? Let's put it to the test. Is good look hair gel or not? Let's go. So for gels, you have to take a little bit more than usual. So I'll take about this much. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it, I'm going to rub it in my hands, and then after that I'll wash it off with water, right? So now a good rule of thumb is that if it comes off with just water, hey, it's good. If it comes off with water and maybe, you need a bit of soap, right? And it's normal, it's pretty normal. But if you need water, you need soap, and if you need to do it again and again, then it's considered as RABAK, no good, right? So now this is a useful tip for you. If the hair product is easily washed off in your hands, there's also a high chance that it is easily washable off your hair. Now, without further ado, let's begin our test. Goggles on, take the gel, about this much, and then now I'll rub it in my hands. Okay, rubbing. Now, you know what? Let's try and wash it off. Water. Now, oh wow, okay. You just don't feel that you need soap, like it can come off easily with water, that kind of thing. Right, so just keep washing off. Right, and you see, it's almost done. Right, as you can tell, you don't really use soap, and it's already off already, right? You can tell. So I would say the washability of this good look hair gel is good. Now, let's test out the styleability of this product, right? Taking this much. So once I put it through, now let's see how smooth this gel is, right? Now with just one swipe, I'll be able to get through my whole hair, right? With just one swipe. Okay, let's put it here. Right? Maybe the other side as well. As you can see, with just one clean swipe of this brush, I'm able to get through my whole hair. So stability, in terms of smoothness, it's not bad, but this kind of hairstyle, you know what? Let's change it. Maybe let's do like a 60-40 kind of hairstyle, see how that would look like, right? Let's comb it from here. And surprisingly, this gel is not sticky at all, as you can see, right? It's really just very smooth. It's not like sticky or whatsoever, and I don't feel like greasiness in this hair gel, so that's pretty good. Okay, and then after that I'm going to style it. Okay, there you go. Now, how do I look? Good? Right. So, the styleability of this product, I would say it's good. Not just normal, it's good. Why? Because you can run through it with a single comb right? You can run through your whole hair with a single comb and it doesn't stick, it doesn't stop as well. So I would say the styleability of this product, it's good. Alright, so now we are done with styling of the hair. So what's next? To test the shine. Now how are we going to test shine? By a proven scientific method of using a light. So using this light, we will see how shiny my hair is, right? How shiny the product is. So let me check myself out. Okay, as you can see at the top here, okay, it does give off a little bit of shine here at the top and at the side. But however, I do expect this product to actually be shinier. So I would say this product actually fares well in the medium range, not so much in the extreme range of shine. Yeah. The test of strength. Now we all know how good this product is, but how does it fare against the wind, right? And this is how we're going to find out. With the help of our fan and our blow dryer, I'll be blowing my hair for 1 minute straight, and after that we'll see the results. Okay, I'll be putting this to a heating mode and at the highest level, the highest power, and the fan also as well. It's going to be the highest level as well, and be facing towards me. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, now let's take a look at myself and see how my hair turns out. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, I would say it still retains its shape now, although you can see it's a bit messy at the top over here and here, but at the front you can clearly tell that there's a nice shade over here and there's a nice shade over here. So overall, the strength of this Good Look hair gel, it's pretty decent, I would say. It's pretty decent. So to wrap things up, in terms of washability, this gel is actually very washable with just water alone, which means you don't need to have soap and whatsoever. But if you're an active person who sweats a lot, or let's say get caught up in the rain, then I think this product would not be able to hold up as well. Now, in terms of styleability, the thing about this product is that it won't dry up halfway, which means to say if you want to change your hairstyle mid-styling, you're able to do so. And in fact, you're able to go through your hair with a comb with just one swipe with much ease. This product does give off a bit of shine, and if let's say you're a person who are looking for a shiny look but not to the point where it's very wet, then I would definitely recommend Good Look hair gel to you. Lastly, let's talk about strength. Now, in a way, this product is able to withstand 1 minute of high-powered fan and hair dryer to my hair, and it is still able to retain its shape, which means to say that strength alone is actually very good. Now, this doesn't mean to say that it will stay like this forever. It does mess up your hair once in a while, leaving off that messy look, but even though that happens, you are still able to go through your hair with a comb just as easily as you did when you first style your hair. So I would say in that point, the strength is actually very good for this product. This is actually very cheap, no doubt, but you shouldn't look down on cheap products. There is a reason why it was so popular back in the days, and now it's even still around. So I would say Good Look hair gel is not RABAK at all. And so that's that for this episode of RABAK Reviews. Now, if you like what you just watched, please remember to like our video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Either way, please let us know in the comments down below what kind of old school hair product you still use, or better yet, do you still use Good Look hair gel? Please let us know. Either way, I'm Ming, you stay handsome, and I'll see you in the next video.